Hey there, and welcome to Tech with Adam, your go-to channel for the latest in technology and engineering. In today's video, we're taking a closer look at the Playz Kids DIY Toy V8 Combustion Engine Models Kit. This mini replica of a classic 4-cycle 8-cylinder internal combustion gasoline car engine is perfect for young minds eager to learn all about mechanical engineering, and with its immersive setup, it makes for the perfect gift set for both adults and kids. Your child will have a great time building this comprehensive model engine toy, tinkering with the cranks, pulleys, belts, and exhaust valves to make it come to life right in front of their eyes. And once it's complete, they'll be able to experience the action of a classic car engine thanks to the powerful pistons and interactive cables. Not only is this kit fun, but it's also educational, encouraging critical thinking skills, expanding creativity, and even refining motor skills all at once. Plus, it's a great way to make the world of STEM, science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, exciting and engaging for young minds. So, join me as we dive into the Playz Kids DIY Toy V8 Combustion Engine Models Kit and make STEM amazing for your children. Just remember, you'll need 3 XAA batteries to power this realistic model engine toy. Let's get started.